Well, I guess you're joining everyone else on the Open AI technology, also known as the ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and search a work, school, and personal topic. So if you don't know what Open AI is, it provides human-like conversation responses to your search request. You no longer have to jump from website to website to get all the responses that you want. So let's get started. I am on the website. I will leave the link in the description below. And we're on their homepage. What you want to do is just scroll down to the midsection and click on Try ChatGPT. Now, if you're not sure and, not sure how you feel about this technology, go ahead and read about it. I did look at it and felt comfortable because I wanted to check out the safety and, how this really works, where they're getting their information from, and from, what they're sharing is the responses that they give you is from their internet. Go ahead and hit Try this GPT. You want to hit Sign Up. You're going to enter in your information. I've already have an account. Go ahead and walk through it. It will ask you for your telephone number because they want to send you a text message to verify who you are. That's good. Again, showing that safety. I am now actually on the home page, and you could tell that I've been really using it just to kind of test it out. You will not have anything in your left panel. You can create a new chat once you get here, clear conversations. And I wanted to make sure I show you updates and Q&A. They are rolling out updates on a regular basis. If you decide you want to use it, that you can, stay up to date on what's going on. And if you are a Microsoft 365 user, stay connected. I just want to quickly show you that I did a quick search because Microsoft has a multi-year, multi-billion investment in OpenAI. And when you look at information, it is coming to PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. Stay tuned for that. That's a little exciting. As well as I like, techradar.com. They have some great ideas on how it can really increase productivity for the Microsoft 365 users. Stay tuned. So let's get back to the site. Couple things that I wanted to tell you what you actually see. Let's see if I can increase the screen. They give you a couple examples on what it can do, but I wanted to make sure I point out to you limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. When you create your search, make sure that it's within that time period. I'm making the assumption that this will get better over time, but it did state that right here on the homepage, which I liked. The other thing that it says, there may be times where it may produce incorrect information. Make sure you watch my other video where I went through some of these scenarios just to kind of see what type of responses I get. But let me just show you how this works. Let's create one for work. Create a one-day webinar agenda for Microsoft Outlook. Okay, so let's see what we get. This is pretty cool. How it knows what topic to choose, how it gives subtopics for each one, tells you when to break. Really cool. And notice how it also gives you the name of this topic as well. So you can go back and look at this later. Now, all you have to do is copy and paste it and tweak it as needed. If you don't like what they provide, and this is for any search topic, you can regenerate response, or if it's incorrect, All you have to do is give it thumbs down. I understand that they do have a team that will look at this information and that gives them time to research it and get it corrected for the next time somebody, creates something for that topic. Let's create another one. Let's do one for school. Generate 5 interesting things about the moon. Let's go ahead and hit the start button. Look how fast it is. And this is the free version, right? So the free version, they do say that you may run into some times where it slowed down because they have so many people are downloading this application or using this technology. And if you want to pay the $20 for you to have it where you never have to worry about it being slowed down. But again, here is some great responses. I didn't have to navigate to multiple websites to get what I need. So that's really cool. So create one more on a personal level. We put in here a funny story about a blue bear dancing in the rain. Let's see what we get. You could actually have a lot of fun with this with your children. You could actually put their children's name in here. You have something different and unique to read to them every evening. Maybe they can make up their location, their animal, the name, and you get a story. Pretty cool. Let me know what your thoughts are. Again, make sure you watch my other video where I kind of talk about some of the other interesting things that I learned about this tool. Stay connected because for Microsoft 365 users, things are happening and be rolling out soon.